Is your VW infotainment system stuck in a boot loop? It's a common issue, especially in models with MIB3 and earlier systems like the Golf, Tiguan, Atlas, ID3, and ID4. This happens when the system fails to start correctly, repeatedly restarting. The most common causes are software glitches from incomplete updates, conflicts with apps like Android Auto or CarPlay, or even hardware failures like a failing SD card or NAND flash memory. Thankfully, in most cases, you can fix it yourself with a couple of methods. If not, it may require a certified technician to resolve the problem. We'll cover some of the most common things you can do in this video. First, try a hard reset. Power off your car, remove the key fob, and hold the volume and power buttons on the infotainment screen for 10 to 15 seconds. This clears temporary memory. Next, check for software updates. Use the VW Connect app to download the latest firmware. Ensure your car is stationary and fully charged during the update, which can take 30 to 60 minutes. Alternatively, download the firmware from the VW website and update via USB. Insert the USB and follow the on-screen instructions. To minimize issues, regularly update your firmware and avoid unofficial third-party apps. Always use official accessories. If these steps don't work, it could be a hardware problem. Components may need replacement, which can cost $500 to $2,000 at a dealership. Remember, VW often releases technical service bulletins that may cover these repairs under warranty, so check with your dealer. If issues persist, it's recommended to seek professional assistance.